I just harvested my fish and I didn't harvest all. So I'm going to show you something that is very important and very crucial. And every fish farmer must note that. And anytime you harvest some of your fish, you do the same to the remaining fish in the pond. Not only even after harvest, when you also take your fish to a stress, either you have salt them or you have just done something in the pond which has stressed the fish, it is very important you apply the same remedy to boost the immune system of the fish and to also increase the water quality in the fish pond so that the fish will keep surviving in the water. So follow me to the end and you shall learn greatly. And please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so because this channel, all you know, is just about sharing fish farming tips. And I believe as a giant fish farmer, you wouldn't want to miss all this. So subscribe, like the video, share, and let's keep together. Now, this important secret is the application of bitter leaves. Bitter leaves is a natural antibiotics, and I say natural because it is a plant and it is free from chemicals, and you can easily plant it in your backyard or around your fish pond, and then it will grow. Then anytime you want to apply to your fish pond, like I have indicated, then what you simply do is that you go and pluck some of the leaves. When you pluck the leaves, wash them, remove the stems, put it in a mortar, get your pestle and pound it very well. It's not only about pounding. You can grind whatever method that you have to use, but make sure that you grind it to look very tiny. And then when you finish grinding or finish doing that, then you apply enough water on it. As you can see, after the application of the water, then if you find out that the fiber are so many or it has many stems in, then you can sieve it with a net or something to just pass the liquid through, then removing all the fiber out. When you are done, and before you even apply it to the pond, though you may have the water higher, but it is ideal when the water level is very low. In that way, when you apply, then the concentration of the bitter leaves in the water is going to be high and the effectiveness too will be higher. So when you do that, you make sure you reduce the water level to a minimum and then leave them like that. Then pour the liquid of the bitter leaves. Then the fish will be swimming. You will see that if the water is colorless or very clear, it will be green and then it will form foams. And then as they swim around, then that is what you want. Allow them to swim in that little water for a while and you top up the water in the pond. So this way, it will help reduce the stress in them. It will enhance the water qualities. It will boost their immune system. And above all, this is cheaper. That's why I'm saying you can easily plant it in your farm and you are good to go. However, you can also use chemicals or antibiotics that they are selling. But like I said, this is natural, cheaper, and always ready. So plant bitter leaf in your farm, have it grow, and any time that you are going to use, you are good to go. And like I said, it is easy to grow. Just cut a stem of it, remove the leaves, plant it on the ground, water it, and if it's rainy season, then rain will do the watering for you. And within few months, everything will be leafy. Then you start applying in your farm. So please, I don't want to make the video so long. If If you found value in this video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have subscribed already, thank you for subscription, and let's share. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.